What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show how you can hide this annoying Copilot symbol that appeared recently whenever you open up an Excel workbook. It is super easy to do and won't take long at all. I'm going to go to Files, then I'm going to click on More if that shows up, and I'm going to go to the Options menu here. Next, we want to select Copilot, and we have two options here. There are two ways to do this. One is that I can uncheck the Enable Copilot box, which will turn off access to Copilot for any Excel workbook you might open up. I'm going to uncheck this box, and then click OK. And you see that the Copilot symbol got grayed out, so we can't click on it anymore. And if I hover my mouse here, the annoying symbol doesn't pop up anymore either. Now, if you're still getting the symbol popping up, then try closing the Excel file and opening up a new one, or just restarting your computer. So if I open up a new Excel file, we don't have access to the Copilot buttons now. So let's close this workbook. If you want to enable Copilot again, then go to File, go to More, then Options, Copilot, and we can just check mark this box. After we check mark it, click OK, and just close the original Excel file that we disabled Copilot on. And then we're going to open up a new Excel file, click any workbook, and you'll see that Copilot is back. If you don't want to completely disable Copilot, then you can use the second option instead to hide the Copilot icon. I'm going to go back to the Copilot menu, and instead of just unchecking this box here, we're going to check mark Show Copilot icon only for highly relevant suggestions. If I do this and click OK, and I hover my mouse here, the Copilot icon doesn't show up. But this doesn't mean that it went away completely. You can just do something like right click the cell, and you have the Copilot menu here, where you can ask Copilot to do something, or use any of these relevant options. So that's a couple of ways you can hide that annoying Copilot icon from appearing on your Excel worksheet. If you guys found this video to be helpful, then please like and comment down below what else you'd want to see. And if you haven't already, subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn to get notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, I'll see you all again next time.